The 2026 Hyundai Porter EV is not just another electric vehicle, it's a practical solution for businesses, urban deliveries, and eco-conscious drivers who need reliability and efficiency in a compact truck. Hyundai has been reshaping the commercial EV market with smart design, long-range capabilities, and impressive versatility, and the Porter EV takes that philosophy even further. In this video, we'll take you through a full review including its design, walk-around details, interior experience, features, performance, technology, safety, pricing, and how it stacks up against rivals. Stick around until the end where I'll share my personal verdict and whether I think this is the small EV truck you should be paying attention to in 2026. Let's start with the first impression. The 2026 Hyundai Porter EV carries a modern yet purposeful look. Unlike conventional compact trucks that often appear boxy and outdated, the Porter EV has a clean, aerodynamic shape that makes it stand out. At the front, you're greeted by sleek LED headlights integrated with a wide grille panel that isn't actually functional. Since being an EV, there's no need for massive air intake. Instead, it's designed for airflow management, reducing drag and enhancing efficiency. The bumper is bold yet simple, with subtle body lines that give the Porter EV a futuristic edge. Even though this is a work-focused vehicle, Hyundai didn't compromise on styling, ensuring it looks equally at home on city roads or parked in a modern fleet. Walking around the side, you'll notice the Porter EV maintains compact dimensions, making it ideal for tight urban spaces. Large sliding doors on certain variants improve access, while the long cargo bed or box-style rear offers multiple configurations depending on use. Hyundai designed the Porter EV with modularity in mind, so businesses can customize it for delivery, logistics, service, or even passenger transport. The flat roofline and tall stance maximize cargo capacity without making the vehicle look oversized. Alloy wheels with aerodynamic covers improve efficiency and add a polished touch. The charging port is conveniently placed on the side, making it easy to plug in whether you're at home, work, or a public charging station. Moving to the rear, functionality is the key highlight. The tail lamps are vertically stacked LEDs, ensuring visibility even in tough weather. The tailgate opens wide for quick loading and unloading, and depending on the variant, Hyundai offers multiple body styles like a flatbed, box van, and even refrigerated cargo versions. This versatility is exactly why the Porter EV is gaining popularity among small business owners and large fleet operators alike. Now let's step inside and see what the cabin feels like. Despite being a compact commercial vehicle, Hyundai has gone above and beyond to make the interior practical yet comfortable. The driver's seat is ergonomically designed with good visibility, thanks to the large windshield and thin A-pillars. The dashboard layout is clean and modern, dominated by a large digital instrument cluster that provides vital EV information such as remaining range, battery percentage, and real-time energy consumption. Next to it, you get a touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and even Hyundai's connected car services. Storage spaces are abundant, with cup holders, overhead compartments, and smart cubby holes for work documents, gadgets, and tools. Depending on the configuration, you can choose between a 2-seater or a 3-seater front row. Materials are hard-wearing, as expected in a work vehicle, but Hyundai still added soft touch points where it matters, such as the steering wheel and armrests. Comfort is enhanced with automatic climate control, USB-C charging ports, and in higher trims, even heated seats and a wireless charging pad for your devices. One standout feature is the flat floor design, which not only makes the cabin more spacious but also easier to move around when using the Porter EV as a shuttle or passenger van. Hyundai also integrated advanced driver assist features that we'll talk about in the safety section, making the driving experience surprisingly stress-free compared to traditional commercial vehicles. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Hyundai Porter EV is built to deliver. Powered by a high-capacity battery pack, it offers multiple range options depending on your needs. The standard model delivers around 250 kilometers per charge, which is more than enough for city deliveries, while the long-range variant pushes closer to 350 kilometers, ensuring fewer charging stops. The electric motor produces instant torque, which means the Porter EV can accelerate quickly from a standstill, a big advantage when navigating busy city streets or merging into traffic with a full load. Payload capacity is impressive too, with the Porter EV capable of handling over 1,000 kilograms depending on configuration. Hyundai designed the chassis with reinforced suspension and optimized weight distribution to ensure stability even when fully loaded. Regenerative braking not only improves efficiency but also reduces wear on the brakes, lowering maintenance costs for businesses. With multiple drive modes such as Eco, Normal, and Power, the Porter EV adapts to different driving conditions, whether you're maximizing range or need a burst of performance for steep inclines. Charging is another area where Hyundai shines. Using a standard AC charger at home or work, the Porter EV can be fully charged overnight. But when you need a quick turnaround, the DC fast charging system replenishes up to 80% of the battery in just about 40 minutes. This makes it extremely practical for fleets that need vehicles back on the road quickly. Hyundai's growing EV infrastructure support ensures drivers won't be left stranded. Technology and safety are becoming increasingly important in commercial vehicles, and Hyundai has packed the Porter EV with both. The infotainment system not only keeps you connected but also integrates fleet management tools for businesses, allowing real-time tracking, route optimization, and battery monitoring. Hyundai's BlueLink system provides remote access via smartphone, letting you check charging status, precondition the cabin, or even lock and unlock the vehicle from anywhere. On the safety front, the Porter EV includes advanced driver assistance systems usually reserved for passenger cars. Features like forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert make city driving much safer. Adaptive cruise control with stop and go function takes the stress out of traffic jams, while a 360-degree camera system ensures precise parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. Hyundai also designed the battery pack with multiple layers of protection, including thermal management and impact resistance, ensuring maximum safety for both driver and cargo. Now let's talk pricing and how the Porter EV compares to rivals. The 2026 Hyundai Porter EV starts at a competitive price point, making it accessible to small businesses and large fleet operators alike. Depending on the configuration and range variant, prices vary, but Hyundai has strategically positioned it to undercut many traditional diesel vans while offering lower running costs. Compared to rivals like the Ford E-Transit, Nissan ENV200, and even Chinese offerings from BYD and SAIC, the Porter EV stands out with its balance of affordability, range, and advanced features. While some rivals may offer slightly higher payloads, Hyundai's strong after-sales support and global presence give the Porter EV an edge in reliability and long-term value. Total cost of ownership is where the Porter EV really shines. With fewer moving parts, reduced maintenance needs, and significantly lower fuel costs, businesses can save thousands annually compared to diesel-powered trucks. Add to that potential government incentives and tax breaks for EV adoption, and the Porter EV becomes an even more attractive choice. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 Hyundai Porter EV proves that electric commercial vehicles don't have to be boring or limited. It combines smart design, versatile configurations, practical range, and advanced technology in a package that works both for individuals and businesses. Personally, I think Hyundai has nailed the balance here. If you're a small business owner, delivery driver, or fleet operator, the Porter EV offers everything you need to transition to electric without compromise. The interior is comfortable enough for long shifts, the cargo space is versatile, and the running costs are significantly lower than traditional vans. Yes, range could still be longer for certain use cases, but for most urban and suburban needs, it's more than sufficient. For me, the biggest highlight is how Hyundai has made the Porter EV feel less like a basic work tool and more like a modern, connected vehicle that just happens to carry cargo. That shift in mindset is what will help businesses embrace EVs more quickly. Add Hyundai's reliability and global service network, and the Porter EV is a winner in my book. If you're considering switching your business to electric, the 2026 Hyundai Porter EV deserves to be on your shortlist. It's practical, efficient, safe, and future-ready. I'd recommend scheduling a test drive and experiencing it yourself, because once you do, you'll realize why so many fleets are making the switch. That wraps up our full review of the 2026 Hyundai Porter EV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends or colleagues who might be interested in EV trucks, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our upcoming reviews on the latest cars and trucks. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you consider the Porter EV for your business or personal use? I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.